This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
How to modify the site Segon Blonde for mobile use. So we've already made some adjustments to the homepage for mobile devices. Like the logo is larger and there's a lot of extra spacing that has been removed. So this is the original site where the logo kind of looks very small and there's this extra spacing, and this kind of shows the fixes that we've applied. So I'll show you how to get that done. The first step would be to go into the back end of your site. Now I have this other site which uses another template, but these steps are going to be the same. So the first step would be to go into design, then click on custom CSS. And here you're going to type at media max width 768 pixels. And you're using 768 because that's the breakpoint of the site, not 640. Right, so we add our open and closing curly braces. And right between that, we're first going to start with the logo. We're going to type hashtag header, hashtag logo wrapper, hashtag logo image, and then ing, and then our open and closing curly braces again. And right between that, we're going to add max height 125 pixels, and then add our important tag. And what this does, the default for this particular theme is about 40 pixels. So it increases it so that the image can be as large as 125 pixels. If you need it to be smaller, you can reduce this pixels amount from 125 to, let's say, 75, for instance. And if you want to make it larger than this, you can increase that 125 pixels. So the next thing we're going to add would be a fix to reduce the padding here. So it looks like this. And to do that, you add dot index dash section dash wrapper space dot content dot has dash main dash media colon not, then open bracket dot gallery dash content, close the bracket, and then our curly braces, and right between those we're going to add padding top 0, and then we add our important flag to override the padding settings, and we're also going to add our padding bottom to 0, so it overrides the padding that is on the site and gives us a 0 padding, which is what this looks like. So all that extra spacing is removed. And once you've done that, you can hit save to save your changes. Now those changes won't apply here because this is an entirely different template, but once you put in your code exactly as it is here, then the changes will apply to your site. Now the other thing would be, that was mentioned, would be changing the font size. I think this font is pretty much fine on mobile, but to change it, what you can do is on the back end, type dot index dash section dash wrapper dot content dot has dash main dash media h3, and this will override the h3 settings. You can set font size to your 20 pixels and then add the important flag and save those changes, and that will apply the font size 20 pixels once the screen width is lower than 768 pixels. Right, so that's it.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.